I'm Tom, one of the co-founders of HowD'Go. We're going to run you through how you can create your first demonstration and share some tips and tricks that'll hopefully make your first experience a great one. The first step is to make sure you've downloaded our Google Chrome extension. Once installed, we recommend pinning it to your extension bar. This just makes it that little bit easier to control the extension during the recording process. When you're all set up, jump over into your web application and click on the HowD'Go icon. Then click Start Recording. From here on out, each time you click within your web application, we'll save it as a new step in your eventual demo. What we recommend is that you pick out 1 to 3 features that you would normally demonstrate to a prospective customer. This helps to create a relatively concise first demo, which will save you a lot of time during the editing process and make sure that you end up with a demo that is easily shareable in a relatively short amount of time. Once you're finished, click on the HowD'Go icon and then click Stop Recording. You can also use the HowD'Go companion, which is added to the recording window. From here, you can see how many steps have been captured. You can also pause your recording or cancel your recording and delete it. Once the upload process is finished, you'll be launched directly into the HowD'Go editing console. From here, you can delete steps, add new steps, introduce annotations, chapter markers, even edit the content of the application itself. I hope that this has been a helpful introduction to the HowD'Go recording process. If you have any questions or queries, you can reach us via the in-app chat, or you can connect with me on LinkedIn and message me directly. Thanks so much. Have a great day.